Let's be honest with each other here. You want to get on YouTube because you want to make more money.
Money, please.
Whether you want to make money from YouTube or you want to make money from people watching your videos and buying your products or services, you're creating content to help boost your income. So what are the best ways that you can use YouTube to make money, and how am I making money on YouTube? That's coming up. Welcome back. My name is Trina if you are new here, and on this channel I help creative entrepreneurs figure out how to start using YouTube to grow their business. Now, you want to grow your business because you want to make more money, and so you're probably thinking you need a YouTube channel to help you make more money. So how are you going to do that? Well, first of all, let's talk about the biggest myth here on YouTube, and it's that you're making money by making videos because Adsense is paying you. Well, this is not true. I just recently started getting a paycheck from YouTube, so to speak, or the Adsense money. And to get your first paycheck, you've got to make at least $50 in Adsense. And I just got my first paycheck about 2 months ago. Now, that monthly income from Adsense is now up to a whole $100 a month. So let's just say AdSense isn't the way to make money here on YouTube. So how can you make money here on YouTube? Well, the second way to make money is being an affiliate. So what an affiliate is you basically sell somebody else's product and you get a cut of that money. So whether you create an Amazon shop or you have specific Amazon affiliate links, or maybe you're an affiliate for a business course or a membership site or some type of product like a green juice. That is where you're going to start making money, because if you can do an entire video dedicated to certain products that you're showing and you tell people, you know, why this is so amazing and the results you're getting from using this, your audience is going to want to buy what you're talking about. And it's not really being super salesy, it's being real. You want to work with products and be affiliates with products and programs that you have done, that you have loved, so that it comes across natural and you're being really sincere when you're talking about it. So that's one of the ways that you can make money here on YouTube. Another way is to have one-on-one clients. So since I talk to a lot of businesses here on my channel, I talk about how you can get these people who are watching your videos right now as a one-on-one client. That was my main business model for the first 2 years of my business. People who were watching my videos were then reaching out to me to help them grow a YouTube channel and to be their YouTube strategist. I did not need a huge YouTube channel to do this. I basically had under 1,000 subscribers by the time I had enough one-on-one clients that gave me enough money to do this as a full-time living. The reason why is people are getting to know you. They're getting to trust you. You are helping them through a pain point in those how-to videos and those tutorials that you're talking about, and they know instantly whether they want to work with you or not. A lot of the times, these one-on-one clients come to me and they're like, Trina, I want to work with you right now. How do I do it? I don't have to pitch them. I don't have to give them a proposal. They don't, get scared away by the price. They know I know what I'm talking about because I'm here on YouTube talking about it. They know they like me and they're ready to work with me one-on-one. So is there consulting or coaching that you could do based on what you're talking about on YouTube? Another way to make money off of your YouTube videos is to have courses. I have a course. A lot of my friends that I've got to get on YouTube have courses as well. And so what you do is you build up your authority here on YouTube, give a lot of free content. So when the time comes for you to talk about that course or that membership site that you do have, they already know they love your content. They already know you create valuable free content. They're super excited to buy into your paid content or your membership or to have more one-on-one contact with you. I, for one, had YouTube Bootcamp for about 2 years and consistently filled that up with people who found me and watched me here on YouTube. Now, as my business model begins to shift and I start opening a membership site, again, people are going to be watching me here and they're going to want to learn how they can learn more from me and what my paid content looks like. So how can you start shifting people to paid products, like maybe an ebook or maybe a mini course, or it doesn't have to be this grand $1,000 course. It could be a quick course that maybe is $20. Another way to make money here on YouTube is to sell products. So if you're not an educator and you don't want to teach things, maybe you have hand-painted cell phone cases, or maybe you sell templates like email templates or Trello board templates. What are some products that you're selling that you can talk about here on YouTube? What pain points are your products resolving so that you can talk about that pain point and then show them how your product resolves that pain point. I have products as well. I have my Trello board where people can get my workflow so that they don't have to wonder what's the next step in uploading a video or what do I need to do next. It's basically a copy and paste my workflow. I also have a YouTube planner as well. So if you like to write on paper to plan out your content, I have that, and that helps me build income, a full-time income from here on YouTube without depending on AdSense. So I want to know, are you thinking about doing any of these ideas to help increase your income here in 2019? Let me know which one you're going to be doing. And if you want to continue to learn how to get more views and subscribers on your videos to get more products and services sold, make sure you click that video that is on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.